Hey guys, it's Dylan Atcherson over here at Fulenwider Dodge. What I'm going to do today is show you how to operate your digital rear view mirror.
So what you'll do is you'll come over here to your rearview mirror where you can see my ugly mug at the moment, but if you do is flip it up like you normally would, bam, you actually get the full digital rearview mirror camera, and you'll go this button right here, which has your little rectangle on it. See that setting? It brings up your brightness. You can turn your brightness down, up, and then if you press it again, it actually allows you to turn up and down your camera. It's up, that's down, to give you the best view that you possibly need on your camera. And if somebody does end up with their brights super bad in the back, bam, now you could just flip it just like a regular one.
Guys, I hope you found this one useful. If there's anything that you guys need, please don't be afraid and stop at 9610 Interstate Highway 20 here in Eastland at your friends over here at Fulenwider Dodge. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.